Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class we have learned that how to build a music store page, music store page website in HTML and CSS. And I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my videos, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and please comment down in my comment section so I will reply you of your comments and I will make things of your comment. Okay, so I will not taking your long time, so let's start the video. So now first of all I will go to the here. I will open my Sublime text editor. Okay, I have Sublime, so I will open it. So I will open my Sublime text editor. I will erase this. So here I will erase that, and I will also erase that. Then I will erase this all. Then I will side by side, because you are beginner level, so I will side by side for you. Okay, so then I will go to the here index.html, and now then here I will go, then save to the here, then so till here we can turn over my and now first of all I will go to the here, and now first of all here I will go, and here I will write easily HTML, and HTML write I will, and here I will tab it, and then over my tab I will tab it, then my work is done. So I will go to the here come the title, and my title here I will go, here I will write music store page. Save here, refresh. So here you can see it, here is come music store page. Here you can see it, music store page. It is easily, here is come. Then over. Now, first, you can this is very important. You can link the file. This is very important. Okay. So I will go to the here, and now here I will write link and 2 times tab. Okay. 2 times tab it. So here I will go, here I will write style.css, then I will edit this is not very important, so here I will edit this, you have in bracket, it is not come, in Sublime it is coming. Okay, and I will go to the here, head of body in center, and here I will go, here I will write easily h1 and tab it, then tab it. So here I will go, here I will write music store page. Here I will save, then refresh. So easily here is come my music store page. You can write any text from here. I will write music store page. Okay, I will write music store page. You can write any text. Okay, like music store. Okay, like music store only. Then save, then refresh only music store. You can write. I have write page, and here you can also write guitar, anyone. Okay, so here I will go, here I will go, and here I will enter press. Enter press, here I will go paragraph, means P means paragraph. Tab it, and here I will write, this music is best. We all take then for any YouTube channel. And now here I will save it, then refresh. So it is easily here is come. Easily here you can see it. Here it is easily has come. Here you can see it. And now, first of all, here I will go, and now here I will go, and here I will go, and now here I will write BR tag, one time BR tag, and then I will go to the here, and here I will copy at this BR tag, copy, and now here I will go paste him many times, then save it, then refresh. So it is perfect. Then I will go to the here, on my style dossier because my index file, my index work is all done. Then I will go to my style CSS file, and here I will write shift and 8, and here I will first of all here I will write background image URL. So I will my background image. So my background image should be that, and I will go to the desktop. It is on desktop, and here I will write here I will write music, and now then I will go to the Sublime text editor, and here I will write music.jpg, save it, refresh. So my image should become easily here. Okay, so my image will become easily here, and now first of all here my image should become, then here I will go, here I will write background background attachment should be fixed, background size should be covered, background repeat should be no repeat. Save to the air, then refresh. So my picture is easily here has come. Here you can see it. Then I will go to the here. Here I will write font family. Font family should be Montserrat sans serif. Save it, refresh. So my font is easily done. Here I will go, and now here I will go. Here I will write color. Color should be FF. Save it, refresh. FF means white. So it is easily has come, but I will not. Here I will go. It is very small, so here I will write easily. Go here, H1 tag, and here I will write font size should be 50 pixels. Save it, refresh. So it is good. And now here you can see it easily. I will made my music store page in HTML and CSS. And I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So for today,